It's not a
Oh, they have bikes as well you can hire.
Papa, I don't know how to ride a bike.
You fall twice when you learn how
Maybe you hire and then I try on yours.
You fall several times.
Yeah. As a house baby when I...
It's not that to begin. Entering Karura Forest. Oh, there's a forest.
Papa, you're thinking about money.
Karura
Forest.
Not here. We'll do from inside.
Look for us and she can't find us. But this is gate A.
The only animal is Fisi.
Fisi? Hyena? No. I hear their snakes.
So, first we want to start from here.
Okay.
This is the Karura Forest, and this is what now the map we want to use.
Yeah.
So where are we going? We're looking for the lake.
Lily Lake.
Lily Lake.
Lily Lake is where?
This one. Yeah, this one here, Lily Lake. Yeah.
Lily Lake. Then we have the waterfalls.
Yeah, waterfalls. This one.
Waterfalls.
Yeah.
Then. So Lily Lake, waterfalls.
There are the caves.
Caves, prehistoric sites.
We have caves.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's now the old Sapoko. So
Okay.
There's even this one.
what? Chimney.
Chimney. Okay.
So this is the map we need to take a photo of. Without it, we are lost.
Gate A.
So
We headed to the lake.
So to the lake, we have to. Oh, Lily Lake is this one.
Yeah.
So how are we starting from here? This way?
Oh my God, I don't know. I don't know how to read maps.
Oh, you are.
Yeah.
This is where you are, Kiambu Road.
Okay.
So I believe this is the caves are over there.
Okay.
Yeah. So now.
Oh, let me show you. Oh, so these arrows are the ones that are pointing exactly to where? Yeah, you see the waterfall? I know, yeah. When you enter like with gate C, you come all the way straight and then there's a place you reach and then you enter inside. Yeah.
So now that we are here.
From here.
From here, let's get lost together. How are we going? The arrow is indicating.
Okay, let's say
From, we need to get here.
okay, right now where we are standing, where are we in the map? Where we are right
There.
now?
This is
This is gate A, right?
This is Limuru Road. So this is where we are.
Yeah, okay.
So we want to go to the Lily Lake, right?
Yes.
Then from there we go to where? The waterfalls.
Okay. I'm so stressed. We're just here chilling. Awesome.
Hi guys.
Hello. Welcome.
Can you see us in this thing?
I can see you.
We are fine.
You look fine.
Okay. Awesome.
Hi
you need
guys.
to look gorgeous, not fine.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Julie. If you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for always coming back and engaging with my content. Today I'm meeting a very beautiful lady. Ta-da!
The ready herself. My name is Sese. Yes, I'm a Kenyan YouTuber. And I was like, why not meet Julie before she goes back home? So that's why we're here.
And tell them where we are.
We are at Karura Forest, and you can get in this forest. You can use public, you can use boda boda, you can use Uber, and
chopper here.
yes, even a chopper. Why not? You can also walk if you know you want
You
to
live
lose.
near here.
Yeah,
If you
so
live near
guys,
here.
follow us as we go into this adventure. You're supposed to meet the adventure man himself.
Yeah.
The tour guide. This is Mwakazi Adventure. So
Awesome.
apart from showing them Rwanda, Burundi, Congo, and now I'm showing them home.
Kenya. So guys,
Awesome.
hope you stick around and enjoy.
Cheers.
I'll talk to you guys soon.
We get lost, we'll tell you guys.
Yeah, if we get lost, we'll tell you. I hope we were in the frame.
Okay. So you guys will pass, huh? Pass and keep going.
Okay. He has a tiny camera.
Yeah, that's nice. Looks so nice.
Yeah. For him, he can vlog anywhere.
Yeah.
Unlike us, when you pull out your phone. So I was like, I hope Anne comes early so that he can go back to work.
Yeah.
But there's nothing as good as getting lost with two beauties.
Absolutely.
She likes mess. She likes mess.
No, it makes the video more adventurous. You are there, you
Guys,
know.
so we are lost. Can you find us?
No. Yeah, you can't use Google Maps.
Yeah.
No, we are not
Okay.
lost. I need to see how many steps I'm going to take today.
Okay. So we were told. Oh, I thought this one is
No, we
the
keep
one.
going.
No.
You
still
think
go.
it's here, near here?
Oh my God, it's not near here.
You have to keep walking.
Let's.
I'm
go.
having fun and I'm happy to meet her.
Yeah, absolutely. And if you're here,
You're so sweet. That's like,
I'm always.
where did this one come
I'm
from?
always saying.
I was almost sleeping and then I saw Instagram, like, okay.
Yeah. At first.
See if I had not replied earlier.
Yeah, at first I thought maybe you are not going to reply. I was like, okay, at least I tried.
No.
Because I inboxed her and then she took some time before she.
I wasn't online.
Yeah, before she replied. I was like, okay.
Yesterday.
And then she told me, that she's going back to Uganda very soon. I was like, no, you can't go. Even if it's meeting tomorrow,
I'll
we have
make
to
time,
meet.
and
Yes.
she made time.
So we actually literally got to engage yesterday.
And we're here today.
And we are here today.
So guys,
Guys,
enjoy the walk.
Yes, and if you see me not looking at this camera, please know I'm looking at
This one.
camera.
Hope I'll be.
Okay,
So
you're
that-
also doing like the travel thing. Okay.
It seems to be working. I do home content,
Okay.
but then
Yeah. I got to go through your channel.
okay, I check when messages come in, but
Yeah.
I'm not uploading.
Yeah, you don't upload.
Go. Yeah.
Yeah. We are here. Guys, I'm panting already. And 5 minutes.
Are you sure?
Because I know Japanese.
What? How are you in Japanese?
Watashi wa
You speak English? A little bit. Awesome. So how are you in Japanese? Kinki desu ka?
each. Counting is each. Ni, san, shi, go, roku, shishi, hachi, ku, yu.
Shiori?
Shiori, yes.
Shiori. Okay, my name is Anne. And, yes, and I have a YouTube channel. Yeah, so you can subscribe. And also you can join us. You know,
Okay, thank you.
you absolutely.
We met a lovely lady.
Yeah. So
We
this
can't
was
show her
more
face,
guests,
but
yeah. You don't want to appear on the videos, right?
so we're
You don't
not.
want to appear on the
So,
videos, like you
5
don't want to be on
they
the
say.
camera.
We go up to 7.
Okay.
Sorry.
Awesome.
So out on 7,
Language is a barrier. Yeah.
She's up to, and yeah.
And besides the accent, she had also told me like we can do yes, and we can do that, like we do the, how is it called, this challenge of, you know, the famous jollof rice of, you know, the Nigerians. So we do the jollof rice of Nigerian.
We need cameras, and
Guys, we are from that end, We are going this way and they're telling us totally awesome, absolutely wonderful. I thought we were getting lost. Amma, what do you think?
I think so too. Because there's this,
Oh, the water lily.
yeah, the water lilies.
Oh, yeah, because
That's why
of the
it's called
water
the
lily. Now
lily.
and I've never seen water lily actually. The last time I saw water lily
Guys, water lilies. Oh my god. And you guys, if you know, you know. I want to get in here and get flowers. This is so pretty. Wow. Look, we're at Lily Lake. Let me go further. See how big it is. It's not that big, but it's big. Guys, look at the lilies. The water lilies. I can't get in, but if I could, I would. Close up, go back. Oh my god. Guys, I love flowers. It's an insane obsession at this point. But wow. Wow. This is so pretty. And there's like a little bird there. This is one of, guys, I think I'm getting one close. See, I got a close one. There's some that are purple, lilac, and then this one is white. I move the might get close ones. So this one is lilac. Hope you guys can see, and then the other one is white. Ooh, guys, I want to take one, but then I'll be spoiling. But yeah, that's so pretty. Guys, I'm at Lily Lake in Karura Forest. Yeah, I'm at Lily Lake and I love flowers so much. So this is fun. So fun. I love flowers. You can sit here and read a book as you look at the flowers, the ducks, and the water is so calm here.
Tumepiga huko. Kuna ile tumeeleza hata tumechukua ka video kadogo. Ndio tunaenda kutafuta 12, number 12. Asante. Kongoi. Unajua hata hiyo najua. Mama yangu ni wa kutoka huko. Damara. You can jump if you want.
Yeah.
Upande wa Fadhe. Malindi, Watamu, the sides. Narafa. As in nimeenda almost Lamu. Bara.
Tisa.
Tisa.
Kumi.
Yes, good.
Moja, mbili, tatu, nne, tano, sita, saba, nane, tisa, kumi. Yeah, guys, we've tried 10.
And
1 to 10.
Now moving from there, it will be kumi na moja.
Kumi na moja.
Yeah, it's the same 10 and 1.
Okay.
Kumi na moja. Kumi na mbili. Kumi na tatu. Kumi
na nne. Kumi na tano. Kumi na sita. Kumi na saba. Kumi na nane. Kumi na tisa. Kumi, oh, now it's 20.
20 is what?
20 is 20.
20.
20. 20. So we used a longer route. So guys, if you're coming to Karura and you want to take a shorter route, because where we saw the Lily Valley.
The Lily Valley.
That's where you branch from, and that one will have been shorter for you to.
No, I can. It's going to be silent. The book?
Yeah, I'm not good at speaking and listening English.
Oh,
I can
right.
read sentence.
Oh, okay, that's good. You need to give me your contact. Will that be fine?
What?
Contact.
Oh,
To say hi.
like to go back to the whole circuit again to Uganda, Rwanda. I would love to. Uganda, you love the food. The food and the people, amazing.
Yeah.
You see now this one is the one that we left the other time saying it is not coming.
So we've gone, basically we've gone round.
Yeah.
So these are a Ugandan, a Japanese, and 2 Kenyans getting lost. So Cape It Center, to the Gate C, Kiambu Road, to the caves and waterfall. This is the waterfall. So that's where we are heading. Yep, after going round like the Israelites.
Then you have to stand.
Go. It's meant to be
Celebration
off.
for the shot. This one is red.
We are learning.
Waterfalls only.
Now we go down to the waterfall.
Yeah.
So this is the place to the waterfall.
Yeah.
Here, fire danger, medium, low. I don't know what they mean, but yeah. So this is to the waterfall, and this is where we are going. After getting lost like sons and daughters of Israel.
Guys, can you hear the water? Hear that? Guys, at the falls. Not the falls. What is this called? The bridge. We're heading to the falls, but it still sounds nice. Going down the steps. And it's there. Ooh.
want to have a selfie like that?
At the fall.
Come this side.
I was taking a video. Oh, guys, I had forgotten what I came to do, but we are at the falls. Guys, at the falls. How nice. We have the water. Guys, we can't come here and not touch the water. It's so cool, by the way. This is the highlight of the trip, huh? Did you get this view? Wow. Peoples!
Yes,
See?
yes.
See her?
This is
A
me.
queen, a whole queen.
Yeah,
Guys.
and absolutely, please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, she'll leave my link below. If
I
you
will.
just search and sese, my name will definitely pop up.
And I'm going to leave a link. So
A
guys,
link
please
below.
subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe to my
Road to
channel.
2K, right?
Road to 2K.
Road to 2K, road to 2K. So
Absolutely.
make us twin very
yes,
soon.
make us twins very, very soon. And also make us monetize at the same time.
I know.
Yeah.
Guys, we've been cruising through Karura Forest.
How is it so far?
I love it.
You love
I
it?
feel like I'm supposed to live here.
The air is very fresh.
Very, and in the middle of Nairobi.
Yes, in the
People
middle of Nairobi.
Totally check this out.
Yeah.
In the middle of Nairobi, and you're having a river flowing,
Yeah.
waterfalls,
Yes.
beautiful trees, guys. Like, see that? See what I'm talking about? A river. So all thanks to Anne.
And sese.
She brought me here.
And it was such a coincidence because when I messaged her yesterday,
Yeah.
I told her, let's go to Karura. And she was like, wait a minute, I'm going to Karura with other 2 more YouTubers tomorrow. So I was like, let me tag along.
She's fun.
Yeah.
Guys, she's very fun. Please subscribe. She has a lot of content right now on her channel.
Yeah.
And she does good stuff.
Yeah.
I'm so sure if I like something, I'm so sure you guys are going to like it.
Absolutely.
So go check her out.
They engage and they also subscribe.
Yeah. Rocks, the roots, the river. This place is just... These are just wow. This is so beautiful. Papa, thanks for coming. If he did not come, I would be lost by now. Somewhere, either in the river or in the caves. But we're going up the stairs to go to the caves. I hope they are not so far because today's training is enough for me. Today's exercise is just enough for me.
I was studying the art of pencil.
See where we are at. The cave. Ooh, this is so big.
You're supposed to go in, I think,
Hell no.
so that we meet some snakes. Wait.
It's okay.
No. Have you been inside? No. But the fact that there's a barrier means we're supposed to. Caves of Karura Forest have been occupied by different groups of people over time. From these caves we can learn about history of the people who live here. We also continue to use the caves even today. This information has been drawn from archaeological studies Archaeology teaches us about people, past cultures, based on things they left behind. It gives a glimpse on what they ate, where they lived, and how they interact with the environment. Here in Karura Forest, learning,
It's so big.
historic.
I am at the... There is a stream down there. I don't think you guys can see it. Yeah, kinda you can see it, but we're at a very big cave. One of the caves of Karura Forest. Yeah. And then there's a very big old tree that I'm going to show you right now that Anne is shooting. Let me turn the camera. See where Anne is? That's a very old tree. Yeah.
Let's see what they're telling us over here.
That's a very old tree and a big cave that I can't go in. But yeah, that's it. That's where we are. Guys, the stairs, there are two. See, and see where those guys are. They have to get all the way up here. Okay, I'm beyond unfit. Finally, I'm up the stairs. See where those guys are. Oh my god. But it was beautiful, right? You liked it? Yes. She liked it. So yeah guys, that's it.
Okay, how do you do it?
Marwa doesn't edit videos.
Yeah,
Doesn't do pictures.
it doesn't do nothing.
And people,
Yeah.
the way it comes is the way it's going.
Yes.
You get?
Yeah. Okay. You talk to me actually.
How do you call?
Yeah. 10 million views. Yeah.
So 10 million views is quite a lot. So you guys can sit there with that thing as the background.
Yeah. This is a good idea.
Barbecue.
Guys, there's so much to do here. Look at this park. So many things to do. Me and my bestie here, we are going to swing. I think she'll sit so I can show you.
Yeah, let me.
Wait,
For
guys,
children.
we can't sit on this one. Strictly for kids under 6 only.
Oh, please.
Guys, you can't swing. Let's go see the other ones that these guys are swinging on.
You started?
Yeah.
I think we should go to the other ones. You see, those ones are higher, so they won't disturb
Guys,
us.
the sun is too much.
Let's go to those ones.
Me, I can't.
Why?
The way I'm afraid of heights. Have you seen me?
No, me, I am a tall girl.
Yeah. So bag. Oh my god, it's checking your bag. Oh my god, it's checking her bag. Guys. Guys, it opened the bag. Now it wants to open my bag.
The milk is clean. Is it right?
Yeah.
The
It's
skin
very
is
clean,
very clean.
and it looks healthy.
Yeah.
It opened your bag.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you do like that and then it snatches your phone. You know you can snatch your phone and run away with it.
Are you sure?
Yes. There it is in your bag.
Oh my god.
Do you see how healthy this monkey is? Oh my god, it's really so long. Look at the tail. the far, it is very, 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 it is absolutely clean. You can think it is home care. Oh my God, the other side.
We need to get our bags.
Yeah. You see there on the tree there?
Yeah.
You go there and take vlogs.
Who? I need my bag.
No, we'll take the bag and put it us.
Yeah. But how do we get it away from here?
See the monkeys? See the monkeys? See, their tail is so long.
Guys, look at those two animals.
You see them?
Yeah. You see them running? Oh wow. So you get everything, wildlife, trees. There's a monkey over there. Wow. Guys, today we've had so much fun in Karura Forest. It was a bliss, very fun, and I was with these two beautiful humans.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, two beautiful humans. Mwakazi Adventure. One is handsome and one is stunning.
So it's Beauty and
Ha.
the Beast.
Gorgeous.
Beauty and the Beast.
Guys, tell them to subscribe to your channels.
Yes, please go and subscribe to my channel. My handle is its_and_sese.
I'll
Or
link
if you
it
just
down
type,
below.
yeah, if you just type ancestor, it will just bring you to my channel. So please make sure you go and subscribe and comment below that you are from Tina Gypsy.
Jules.
Yeah, Jules handle.
And then
Mwakazi Adventures here. Go see what I do. I bring you the world through the lens. And yeah, the host to this amazing. She's been a good hostess.
guys, guys,
Hostess.
this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed Karura Forest with me, and if you're around, please don't forget to visit. You'll love it here. There is a lot of stuff to do. There is a fall, there are caves, there is Lake Lily. You can take a walk, you can run, you can cycle. There are bicycles that you can rent out. And yeah guys, I've had so much fun. It was really a very good experience in the heart of Nairobi. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and all those other beautiful stuff, and I'll see you in my next one.